Watch what you do. You okay? He's gonna fall. Help him. Help him.
That's savage, bro. I like that. Please use tongue. Use your tongue to get the... I'm just kidding. So what are you gonna get to drink?
Fanta?
Okay. Nope. Okay. Water. Water. How's your drink, Chase?
Good.
Sean, is your drink good? Mike, you don't have a drink, huh, buddy?
No, I'm not.
You want to go get a drink? Come on, buddy. Come on. You can pick whatever you want to drink. Hold on. Oh, wait. Sorry. You gotta do one thing first.
What?
You gotta get a cup of water and then dump it on your head.
No.
You have to. I'm sorry. Dad said. Ew, that's so unsanitary. Get a good sized cup. I know there's a lot of people, but it's okay, buddy. Oh god. Mike, no.
When the city is your fairway, and there's no such thing as out of bounds. The only thing better than the perfect shot is knowing that no one is actually keeping score.
Oh my gosh. There's like employees outside like mad now. They're like, this is my day. You don't get to throw things at me.
Give me permission.
Ew, your hair, your hair is in the sink, bro. Today you were doing like super unsanitary things. He did that, and then 2 employees came up and were just staring at the ground, and I'm like, what is wrong with us? We're supposed to do that outside. Oh god, I'm sorry. Oh god. Hey man, on the bright side, this video's pretty entertaining. Oh god. We're actually both afraid to go out there because we still have to eat our meal.
I know.
We should have a disguise. Got it.
Got it.
We're good now. Let's go.
When we came out the bathroom, there was a security guard there.
Daddy, don't be going out of the table.
Okay, fine.
Remember in the video, Mom did no going out of the table.
But I'm a vlogger.